Our sun, a blazing ball of plasma, constantly bathes Earth in energy. This energy is a gift from the cosmos, a never-ending stream of power that has the potential to transform our world. Every second, the sun releases more energy than humanity has used since the dawn of civilization. This energy dwarfs our global energy consumption. In fact, the amount of solar energy that hits the Earth in just 1 hour is more than the entire world uses in a year. It's an almost unimaginable amount of power just waiting to be harnessed. Imagine 173,000 terawatts of power raining down on us. This is the sun's daily gift, a constant and reliable source of energy that we can tap into. That's 10,000 times more than we currently use. The potential is staggering, and it begs the question, why aren't we using more of it? The question isn't if the sun can power our world, but how. How can we efficiently capture and convert this abundant energy into a form we can use? Solar panels are our key to unlocking this potential. These devices, made up of photovoltaic cells, are designed to capture sunlight and convert it into electricity. They hold the promise of clean, renewable energy. By installing solar panels on rooftops, in fields, and even in deserts, we can create a network of solar power that meets our energy needs. But how do these sleek, dark rectangles actually harness the sun's power? The process is both simple and complex, involving the interaction of light and matter at a microscopic level. The answer lies in the fascinating world of silicon and photons. When sunlight hits the silicon in a solar panel, it knocks electrons loose, creating an electric current. This is the magic of photovoltaics, turning sunlight into electricity. Solar panels are marvels of materials science. They represent a significant leap in our ability to harness renewable energy. They're built from silicon, the second most abundant element on Earth. Silicon is found in sand and quartz, making it readily available for use. Silicon is a semiconductor, meaning it can conduct electricity under certain conditions. This property is crucial for the functioning of solar panels. In a solar panel, we manipulate silicon to create this certain condition. This involves a complex manufacturing process where silicon is purified and formed into wafers. We create two types of silicon, N-type and P-type. N-type has extra electrons, which are negatively charged particles. P-type has holes, places where electrons could be. We sandwich these together to form a junction. This creates an electric field at the junction. This field is essential for separating the electrons and holes, driving the flow of electricity. When sunlight hits the panel, photons, particles of light, knock electrons loose in the silicon. This process is known as the photoelectric effect. These electrons are then driven by the electric field, creating an electrical current. This current is captured by the solar panel's wiring and can be used to power homes, businesses, and even entire cities. Solar energy is a clean, renewable resource that reduces our reliance on fossil fuels. By converting sunlight into electricity, we can create a sustainable future for generations to come. Solar energy has one major hurdle: intermittency. The sun doesn't always shine. Clouds, night, and seasons all affect sunlight. We need to store energy for when the sun isn't cooperating. Battery technology is advancing rapidly. Homeowners with solar panels can store excess energy during the day. This powers their homes at night. Grid-scale battery storage is also crucial. These large installations will help balance energy supply and demand. Section 4. Land, Politics, and the Price of Progress. In this section, we delve into the intricate relationship between land use, political dynamics, and the quest for sustainable energy solutions. Large-scale solar farms need land. These installations require vast tracts of land to be effective, often spanning hundreds or even thousands of acres. Estimates vary, but we need significant areas for solar panels to meet global energy demands. Some studies suggest that to power the entire world with solar energy, we would need an area roughly the size of Spain. Deserts, like the Sahara, hold potential due to their vast size and abundant sunlight. The Sahara alone receives more energy from the sun in 6 hours than the world consumes in a year. But even with vast deserts, land use raises concerns about environmental impact and competing land uses. The installation of solar farms can disrupt local ecosystems and displace wildlife. The transition to solar also faces political hurdles. Governments must navigate complex regulatory landscapes and address the concerns of various stakeholders, including local communities and environmental groups. Existing energy industries with vested interests in fossil fuels can lobby against change. These industries have significant influence and resources, making the shift to renewable energy a challenging endeavor. Community involvement is crucial. Engaging with local populations and ensuring that their voices are heard can help mitigate opposition and foster support for solar projects. Despite the challenges, successful solar projects demonstrate the potential for positive change. Communities around the world are already reaping the benefits of clean, renewable energy. Section 5. Bringing light to the developing world. Billions lack access to reliable electricity. This is particularly true in developing countries. Solar energy offers a solution. Solar panels can be deployed quickly and don't require extensive infrastructure. Solar power can bring light, refrigeration, and economic opportunities to remote communities. It's a matter of social justice and environmental responsibility. As technology improves and costs decrease, solar energy becomes increasingly accessible. Section 6. Join the solar revolution. The transition to a sun-powered future is underway. Solar energy offers a path to a cleaner, more sustainable world. But we need to push for progress. Support policies that encourage solar energy adoption. Invest in solar technology. Make your voice heard. Talk to your friends, family, and elected officials. Like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to stay informed. Together we can harness the sun's power for a brighter future.